Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Cats How Create, and I am coming on today with this package I received. And this one is actually from a face group swap that I'm in, and this is what I'm receiving. And it was supposed to be, or it was actually a swap for envelopes. So we had to mail each other at least 10 envelopes. And I know my partner had mentioned that she had moved, so I'm not too sure. She said she wasn't able to get through her stuff. So hopefully she was able to, create something. I think she did say she created something. So this is what I'm receiving. Oh, oh my goodness. I love this paper pad, the boho. And this one is from Christine Goodger. I'm hoping I'm saying her name right. So these are the envelopes that she sent me. Oh my goodness, I love this. This is so awesome. Oh, I apologize for that. And, oh my gosh, these are so cute. Oh, she stamped it right here. Oh, this is washi tape. Yeah. She decorated a lot more than I decorated mine. I'm sorry, Christine, if I didn't decorate mine. But I did send her a little more envelopes than we were supposed to, so this is so cute. Look at this butterfly. Even though she didn't have much of a, she said she had just moved and she didn't have much of her craft supplies. So she did pretty good for, not having a lot of craft supplies. Like this one too. This one's cute. I like this one. Oh, and this one she created it from a calendar. Isn't this awesome? And this one as well. I love the butterflies. It's my favorite. And she sent me some extra goodies. Oh, this is so cute. I like the porcupine. And oh wow, she didn't have to send all this. This is cute. Look at her mini envelopes. Oh, and they're like stamped. I love these. These are really small. Look at the size of my hand. So they are small. My hand's small. It's not a big hand. Oh wow. Oh, and she sent some of the cut aparts from this paper pad. I just love this paper pad. Actually have it, and I'm actually hoarding it because I don't want to waste it. It's so beautiful, but I do have to start creating stuff with it because yeah, paper's not going to last forever. It's going to start warping and going bad. Oh, this is so cute. Look at, she made her little notepads. This was so nice of her to send all these extra goodies. Like I said, she didn't have to. And oh, I've never seen this one before. I think it's a Hobby Lobby. I have not seen this before. These are cute. And oh, some paper clips. Those are so cute. I love this one. Oh, the little foot. And I think this is a little, looks like a whale. Sorry, you guys. It is. Oh, well, Christine, thank you for all these extra goodies. I hope you like my swap as well. These are very lovely. Thank you for all the goodies as well. And everybody, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like and subscribe. If you're not a subscriber, I would love to have you on board. And for the subscribers, thank you for your continuous support. You guys have an awesome day. Bye.